So what they've done, this bit they fit them around. It should be like this. Come on lads, got to be the tidiest it's been in a long time. So I've got some crap to pick up here, but not looking too bad. Right. This job here, I think somebody's been here before and they stuck the rim cylinder on badly. Well, we're going to have a look. I wonder if there's a lift. Yes. Three floor.
Second floor.
One more.
Going down.
You right there?
That's what I call it.
I'll go in.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. You don't mind me recording, do you?
Of course not.
No? All right.
No. So this is...
Yeah.
It's just...
Yeah, what's happened? Somebody's put this... That little knobbly bit should be the other side, because then it'll keep it lined up with the cylinder.
You know what
So at the
you're doing.
moment, you're constantly struggling,
Tell me about it.
trying to get the key in, because if it's ready, you're like, oh,
Tell me
Yeah.
about it.
I know where they've done it.
This is it. You're the boss. Can I offer you something, French-wise?
Oh, go on then. I'll have a cup of tea if you've got one.
Cup of tea, sugar, with...
No sugar, just a splash of milk. Cheers. Lovely. Flat. Everyone loves a flat screwdriver. Let's see what somebody's done. Idiots. Why did they not put the plane on the right way? That's the right bit. That needs to fit in properly. they have. Right. Let's take this off the keyring. Right. So what they've done, this bit they fit them all around. It should be like this.
Listen, I hate you coming out Sunday.
That's alright.
I'm just panicking, like.
Literally, all it is, this bit here,
Yeah.
that's armour plated, it's hardened steel.
Right.
They put this in the wrong way up, they put it that way in instead of that way in, because what it does, these little divots here
Yeah.
line up with, this is slightly recessed in here,
Right.
so it stops it spinning round and round and round.
Oh, brilliant.
So if you put it in the right way, then you won't have to struggle so much. But it's still got a little twist on it, but not as bad as it's spinning all the way around. The wrong direction.
Yeah, better than they want to fix it.
I just can't believe that somebody would have done that. You know, why'd they take it off? I don't know whether the lock's been rekeyed.
I've been here a month.
Yeah.
And from day one, it's just been a pain. I finally thought I've got to speak to you.
But I don't understand why somebody would have done that.
No,
I really don't understand, you know. So now, you can see it lines up. See that bit there? It's not spinning around, see?
Oh.
It'll only go to there and there. It won't go spin, you know, right the way around. So when you put the key in now, it'll be easier.
Oh, bless you.
So it'll line up. So
I really appreciate it.
it's nuts how somebody, or why somebody would do it that
You're
way.
asking me why. I mean, I'll just tell people I can talk to you about foreign exchange. I know about my game. That's why you're the man.
Yeah, it's just nuts how people.
Do you normally work on a Sunday or not?
Yeah, I'm 24 hours. You know, if a job comes in, I'll go and do it. Yeah, the thing of being self-employed, you never know when.
No, of course not.
Where the next job's coming from.
And I guess also if you come in from the group, you feel like you need some help as well.
Well, yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, it's the same for me whether it's people from the group or not from the group, because you've got to have the same reaction.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it's not good business.
That's why everyone uses you. It's true though, isn't it?
Yeah, I like to try and do what I do.
How long did it take you to get there?
Wasn't that bad actually, 35 minutes.
Oh right, round at 25, yeah. It's not far.
Actually, it took me the back roads.
Oh, okay.
Which I was quite surprised at. Well, it was nice because I just had my engine replaced.
Oh god.
And it's still got a few little hiccups on it.
Okay.
So there's a sensor that's gone, but the guy's going to be replacing it.
How many miles you done?
Well, when the engine went, well, it was up to about 93,000, something like that. So it's not a lot really for a diesel engine, but apparently these Euro 6 engines aren't very good.
Right.
So.
Okay. And where does most of your work tend to come from? Is it local or?
Most of it's local, but I'm trying to expand to different areas because there's not a lot of chimney pots in Winter Garden, so it'd be nice to expand to other areas.
Is it still just you?
Yeah, just.
Would you take anyone on or not?
Maybe if I had more work, but you know, the problem is so many people coming into my game.
Oh, is there?
Oh yeah, but there again, there's just as many people leaving there as joining.
And how many good ones are there? That's the other thing.
Well, this is it. A lot of them have sold the dream. You know, being told they can earn X amount of money in such a short time and
they know what they're doing and what they're good at. That's the other thing.
Well, yeah, but you know.
How did you learn again? Did you go to college?
No, I did an apprenticeship.
Oh, you did an apprenticeship?
Yeah, I was one of the lucky ones. But there again, I was lucky because I found what I wanted to do when I was 15.
Right.
You know, so I've done this since I was 15 years old. It's all overdone. Where some people come into it later on in life and thought, oh yeah, actually I really like it, you know. But I was one of the lucky ones. Did the old YTS scheme back in the 80s.
Cool, yeah.
That was good. But I was lucky. I was employed YTS. So because I was employed, it's all right. I wouldn't hold that in case it pops off.
Okay.
So I haven't screwed it on yet.
All right.
Yeah, so I was employed YTS. So I was paid by the company, but the only downside of that is I was earning more money, but I had to pay for my travel expenses.
Right, okay.
Well, unemployed YTS got a travel card, and didn't have to pay for the travel expenses. When I went to college, I just had to pay to get there. Where the other guys didn't have to. Right, that should be it. Shut straight. Let's try it from this side. That's it. Put a bit of, yeah. All I'll do is make it a little puff graphite. Yeah, with this being rented.
I'll tell you, so from day one, I've had a problem with my shower. So the shower head just falls off as soon as you turn it on.
Yeah.
So the problem with fitting. 3 weeks now, I've been trying to speak to the agent, speak to the landlord.
Well, yeah.
There's no way I'm going to, I just can't do it. I'm going to just.
Well, the other thing is, realistically, because it's a rented property, it shouldn't have this lock on it.
No.
It should be one with a thumb turn on the inside.
Yeah.
So if there's a,
I don't use the mortars because it's so there's only 12 flats here.
yeah,
And it's all safe.
yeah, but it should. The reason why it should be an egress, because if it gets locked and there's a fire and you want to get out quickly,
yeah.
you'd have to find your key if you locked it at night time.
Oh, I see. Right.
You see, so the idea is that you have what they call egress, so you don't need the key basically to do it. All right, that's it then. There's your. I've got your set of keys here. I was about to walk off with it. I'll put your keys. I'll put your key back on. Oh yeah.
All right. How much do I get some money?
Right, I'll sit. There you go.